To set up a Wise account in India, start by opening the Wise website. Once you're on the site, click on the Open an Account button to begin the registration process. You can sign up using your email address or link your Google, Facebook, or Apple ID account to streamline the process. Next, select the type of account you'd like to open, either to send money globally or to receive payments from abroad. Choose your country of residence, which in this case is India, and then click Continue. This will outline the features available to you, such as sending money abroad, and any limitations, like not being able to use the Wise card or convert old money. If you want to avoid these limitations, select the preferred option that suits your needs. Proceed by clicking Continue at the bottom of the page. You will then be prompted to enter your phone number, followed by a verification code that will be sent to your phone. After verifying your phone number, create a password to secure your account. Once you've completed these steps, your Wise account will be set up.